He has present participle. He has been running. He has been studying. He has been working. He has been cooking. He has been writing. He has been dancing. He has been dancing. He has been singing. He has been reading. He has been drawing. He has been cleaning. He has been swimming. He has been teaching. He has been learning. He has been painting. He has been painting. He has been traveling. He has been practicing. He has been exercising. He has been meditating. He has been preparing. He has been organizing. He has been shopping. He has been sleeping. He has been sleeping. He has been driving. He has been gardening. He has been playing. He has been creating. He has been baking. He has been fixing. He has been designing. He has been relaxing. He has been training. He has been knitting. He has been planning. He has been sewing. He has been coding. He has been filming. He has been photographing. He has been brainstorming. He has been brainstorming. He has been rehearsing. He has been hiking. He has been camping. He has been cycling. He has been volunteering. He has been mentoring. He has been sketching. He has been sculpting. He has been sculpting. He has been repairing. He has been composing. He has been saving. He has been investing. He has been negotiating. He has been documenting. He has been proofreading. He has been editing. He has been proofreading. He has been editing. He has been formatting. He has been programming. He has been translating. He has been collaborating. He has been reviewing. He has been arranging. He has been conducting. He has been investigating. He has been rehearsing. He has been competing. He has been instructing. He has been debating. He has been evaluating. He has been strategizing. He has been troubleshooting. He has been troubleshooting. He has been illustrating. He has been consulting. He has been discussing. He has been guiding. He has been advocating. He has been presenting. He has been demonstrating. He has been promoting. He has been promoting. He has been advertising. He has been interviewing. He has been networking. He has been hosting. He has been modeling. He has been directing. He has been choreographing. He has been improvising. He has been calculating. He has been measuring. He has been filing. He has been recording. He has been advising. He has been consulting. He has been instructing. He has been guiding. He has been informing. He has been counseling. He has been researching. He has been navigating. He has been leading. He has been supervising. He has been managing. He has been multitasking. He has been multitasking. He has been facilitating. He has been assisting. He has been distributing. He has been tracking. He has been auditing. He has been controlling. He has been examining. He has been analyzing. He has been consulting. He has been advising. He has been advocating. He has been interpreting. He has been assisting. He has been operating. He has been delegating. He has been assembling. He has been assembling. He has been prioritizing. He has been strengthening. He has been innovating. He has been updating. He has been improving. He has been influencing. He has been supporting. He has been serving. He has been supporting. He has been serving. He has been encouraging. He has been inspiring. He has been motivating. He has been persuading. He has been uniting. He has been welcoming. He has been nurturing. He has been empowering. He has been nurturing. He has been empowering. He has been celebrating. He has been comforting. He has been consoling. He has been embracing. He has been connecting. He has been loving. He has been caring. He has been smiling. He has been caring. He has been smiling. He has been laughing. He has been appreciating. He has been admiring. He has been supporting. He has been sharing. He has been gifting. He has been reflecting. He has been reflecting. He has been meditating. He has been encouraging.